In this video, we show how to replace riser blank 1 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove riser blank 1 with the cover removed, loosen the 2 captive screws on the rear of the system and then lift it out of the system. To install riser blank 1, lower in to the system and tighten the captive screws. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.